Just outside of Loop 410 on San Antonio's northwest side is this beautiful home at 9831 Gemini Drive. This very well-maintained home has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is 1,774 square feet. Let's go see what's inside. Upon entry, you notice the 2 large living rooms with natural light pouring through the large windows in the front and rear of the home. The kitchen is nice and cozy with open access to both living rooms. All of the bedrooms, including the master, have hardwood flooring. This home has a nice balance of original architecture and modern updates. That includes fixture and finish updates, specifically in the bathrooms. The backyard has the perfect patio for you to relax and enjoy a cocktail. This home is simply beautiful, inside and out.
For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.